It's good?
It's too good.
It slaps?
Too good.
Today we're going to be showing you exactly how to make some amazing hot sauce from scratch. The chef himself is going to go step by step, and we're going to show you everything you need to do to make some hot sauce with honestly a lot of ingredients you already have in the cupboard. This sauce came out really good. Wow, that is good. So you're going to want to stay tuned to watch the whole video and see exactly how we did it. Of course, there were some mistakes along the way.
Like I said, it's a Cheeto now.
Okay, so you're also going to want to see those because they're actually pretty funny. Anyways, I'll let the chef himself tell you exactly how to make this sauce, and let's get right into it.
You want it to be tasty, not pasty.
What kind of peppers do we have?
So we have the long hot peppers, a habanero pepper, a jalapeno pepper, and a serrano pepper. Garlic. We're gonna do some onions, green onions too, lemon and lime, and then some grapefruit, apple cider vinegar. We also have cayenne and garlic powder. Tops off.
Slice it.
Down the middle. Down the middle. This is the killer. This will be the thing that's really adding most of the heat.
Habanero pepper.
Tiny pepper, tons of Scoville units. I can already smell the pepper capsaicin.
All right, all the peppers are done. Now time, I'm gonna show you exactly how to prepare the garlic.
One simple step. You take this, you take your hand, and boom.
Palm heel strike.
Exactly.
Lastly, we're gonna do some ginger.
You will scrape the skin off of it. Let's hit the grill.
Alright, you hit the grill. Simon again.
Hi, welcome back and welcome to the pool.
Oh yeah.
When you open it, be careful. Careful of the heat, it's gonna be really hot. And
Right in the middle.
right in the middle. And you put down the lid. And you wait for a little bit.
Okay, you know what we can do?
Try again.
What do you think?
Should we turn off the fire?
Yes.
Yeah, I turned it off. Already.
It's just on fire. Delicious.
We did make a couple of mistakes, but we'll fix them.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, it's a Cheeto now.
Oh,
See you inside. Catastrophe. Left it on too long and it was on high, so we're going to flake off as much as we need to in order to get the good stuff, and we'll see what we can do from there.
Well, good thing we have a bunch more peppers.
Attempt 2, a lot better. All right, welcome back. So we got our water on the stove. We're gonna start by putting in our peppers. We're going to be cutting up onions. Be prepared and don't breathe in.
Just don't breathe for a little bit. Mm-hmm. Careful. You just broke your own rule.
Like I said, don't breathe in.
And
then we're going to throw in our garlic and our ginger. But not a lot. It should be a little foggier. Maybe a bit yellow.
You
We're
got
going to throw some onions in.
it? Ooh. Oh yeah.
Alright, so now taking some apple cider vinegar. We're just gonna pour some of that in. It's gonna be really good. I think most of this water's cooked off.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna ladle some of this into the cup since
Good job.
Connor's gonna open it. Alright, so
How does it smell? It smells really good.
it's going to be a little bit thick. That's okay. Let's take a look at this. Yeah.
There we go.
What do you think about that?
That one's a little darker this time, but I like it.
So now we place it down. We're probably gonna get another bowl. This is gonna be good.
You gonna pour this in?
Yes, we're going to pour that in. In the end, we're gonna mix this all together.
All right. This looks perfect. All right.
Can I see?
You gotta show them the oils.
Look at all
the
those
oils.
essential oils. They're essentials of making this good.
I'm gonna hold the pot if you want to scrape it into the thing. Okay.
So this is like metal gravy, but not.
That looks so good. Pepper oil.
We're gonna mix that all in. Okay. It's going to be delicious. Good. Okay. And then we're going to mix it in. And okay.
Oh my goodness. Should we get the chips and try it out?
This is gonna be fire.
Epic.
I think this is gonna be really good.
If not, literally, this is going to be fire. So,
Taste test number 1.
let's see.
All right, at the same time,
Uh-huh.
dink it.
Okay.
And scoop.
Ew.
Did you say ew? I
said ooh.
Woo! It is a bit spicy.
It
for
does.
Sure.
Like, it hits at the back of your throat later.
It does.
It's got good flavor.
It's got no flavor. I'd say it does need a bit more.
Yeah.
Little.
A little more spice.
It's supposed to be a hot sauce.
Right.
That grapefruit and that lime and that lemon really did reduce that heat. So then there's just some garlic powder. And first attempt's good. Let's see what the second attempt's like. I think it's gonna be better.
All right, taste test number 2.
Two.
What'd you add to it?
So I added some cayenne and
Okay.
some garlic powder.
Okay, dink
Dink
it,
it.
sink it.
It does get better.
I like it. Oh, it's a little bit spicier right away instead of later on.
Tiny more juice though.
Woo!
More juice?
Yeah.
So do you think we should do vinegar or just juice from
Just
the...
juice.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it like a half squeeze. Oh! We're gonna put in like a half squeeze. It's called a sauce, not a paste. Okay.
Chip,
Chip.
dip, dink, and sink.
Sink.
It's
That's
good?
too good.
It slaps?
Too good.
My Anna, I think got the spice on my tongue. Woo!
Fill her up.
There we go. Perfect.
Yeah. Now Simon's just got to come up with his labels. So we'll let you know what that is.
It's the Plegaton.
Taste.
Alright, so we got the swordfish. We got the hot sauce. We tried them separate. Just gonna put them together.
Oh my gosh, look at that, everyone.
Yep.
Into
So
the
the
sauce
And then dink it.
and sink it. Wow, that is good.
It's built like they're built for each other.
Into the rice. Let's try some rice with it.
Okay.
Mix it up with the rice. Still good. The hot sauce is good.
As in everything sauce.
Thanks for watching, everyone. This has been the hot sauce swordfish
Cooking video.
cooking video.
See ya.